Hey, Alex here with MapRanking, and I have a quick update for marketing agencies that are trying to outsource or do reselling of SEO services. At MapRanking, we have two paths that you can follow. Number one is reselling our tools. Those are the brand tracker for Google Maps, the map check-ins, and the local engagement booster. Those tools are right now being used by hundreds of other marketing agencies that are just reselling it. They're repacking it inside their agency and reselling it to their clients to be able to fulfill SEO services and also to guarantee the higher ranking inside of Google Maps. And the other path you can follow is to completely outsource your SEO service to us, where we do everything from A to Z when it comes to fulfillment, when it comes to execution, and to guaranteeing that those clients that are really important to you can get to the top 3 positions of Google Maps. We have, for option number 2, the white label SEO services, where we do everything from A to Z. We have a great video that covers our roadmap. You could go here under, if you're on the website, go to client roadmap. It's a link on the footer of the website. And then this is the 12-week roadmap that we do for each one of our clients. We guarantee each one of our clients that they will be ranking top 3 on Google Maps at the end of those 12 weeks. And this is exactly the roadmap, step by step, that we follow. I guarantee you, if you know SEO, if you have the time, if all you want to do is do SEO for your clients and you follow this roadmap, you are going to achieve probably the same results or almost as good as the ones we achieve for our clients. Keep in mind, we do this 24/7, 7 days of the week, every single month. And we have hundreds of clients. Many of them are white label. Many of them are clients that have hired our agency directly. And we have repeated the same type of results over and over and over. So I invite you to go in here. And if you want to execute on SEO, just follow this roadmap and use the same tools that we're using. Map check-ins, we'll make it available to you. And we'll give you a huge discount if you want to use it as a white label tool for all of your clients. The local engagement booster, and then also just basically follow everything that we recommend when it comes to technical SEO. I had to repeat, when we do SEO, it's not the old traditional SEO that most companies are stuck with. An SEO that basically it's about old techniques and backlinks and etc., right? Or creating more blog posts. That's not what we're all about. Every time we do on-site SEO, technical SEO, it's because it's, first of all, listed here in the roadmap, so you're welcome to read it and follow it. And second, because we know it's extremely important to make sure that that profile or profiles, if the client has multiple profiles, are in synchrony with your website and they have a really high chance of ranking higher and improving their positions, right? So that's the type of SEO you should be doing. If you hire us to do white label, that's the type of on-site SEO that we'll do when we're doing your map pack ranking. Now, let me go back to the white label page before I go into pricing, because the whole reason for this video is to give you an idea into how much you can charge your clients. We make over $1 million doing white label SEO services, and there's not a reason why you shouldn't be able to do the same, particularly when the whole roadmap is there for you to take. The tools are there for you to achieve the same type of results that we achieve at a much discounted price than what we sell it to individual companies that hire our services. So the map check-ins, this is a great tool. This is the most popular one that we use because it's the number one way to expand a company's ranking to nearby neighborhoods, to expand it to new service areas, to new locations, sending proof to Google that company is active in that location. SEO, when it comes to local, it's mainly about sending signals to Google. Map check-ins, it's very powerful for sending those signals. Then you pair it with the local engagement booster. The local engagement booster, it's a CTR booster or CTR manipulation for you. Those of you that know about SEO, it's a little bit of a gray hat area. In all of the years that I have been doing SEO, I tell you, never even once I have had an issue with a profile by using the local engagement booster or the CTR manipulation. But why don't I have an issue? Well, first of all, because I know what I'm doing. So if you try that tool on your own, um, first do some research study before you do it. But also, we will execute it for you. If you hire us to do it, we'll execute the tool for you. You don't have to worry about how to use it. But the other reason why we never had an issue using CTR optimization or CTR manipulation, it's because when you're sending CTR signals to a profile, driving directions to that profile, clicks to the profile, any type of interactions, you want to pair it with something like our map check-ins, which are real signals that are sending proof that we're sending to Google that, hey, we did execute this job, and here's proof, here's a photo, here's a description, here's a map pin placement of my company. It's in my website doing this job at that location. So that traffic that you see going to my website or my profile from that location, it's real, it's not fake. And that's an issue. People just create fake traffic and then they don't know. They don't know why they're not having a good result. But also, tools are just that, guys. They're just tools. So for me, it's important to make sure that at the website level, everything is well optimized, and at the Google Business Profile level, everything is well optimized. So number one, make sure that your website is really well optimized from a technical SEO standpoint for Google Maps. Make sure that your Google Business Profile is well optimized, and then that you're using tools like this to increase engagement, to increase interactions, and to send more signals and more proof to Google that this company, whoever the company is the go-to service provider in those areas, right? Very, very easy. This is actually not rocket science. You just don't have the right tools, or you try to skip steps instead of following that roadmap that we had laid out for other agencies to follow. Again, finally, and the run tracker for Google Maps. We were tired of using other people's run trackers. We built our own run tracker because we want to be able to measure in real time how things are progressing with our work and use our other tools to attack on those areas where rankings are lacking, where they're behind. So we have a free trial. I invite you, please, to sign up for the run tracker. Use it for free. And if you hire us, if you want us to be your white label provider and to execute some of these services, I'll even give it to you for free so that you have peace of mind. You go in there, add all of your clients or as many clients as you want, and basically can show them, share reports with them about how good of a work you're doing for them, and then you can have a good retention. Because for you to guarantee retention and stay with clients for a long time, you need to show them proof. You need to prove to them that you're doing good work. Let me go down to pricing. So just to recap, option number one, you're welcome to use our tools, the same tools that we use. And if you want to execute on SEO, if you're someone who's just getting started and have all the time of the world, and you just want to be doing the SEO yourself, just follow our roadmap using these tools. You're going to have the same or a very similar level of success than the one we're having at MapRanking. If you want us to execute on the whole process from A to Z, we'll prefer to do that. We'd love to do that for your company. What type of businesses we work with? Well, you should go and visit our client results. Our ideal business type is home service businesses. We work with a lot of plumbing, HVAC, electrical, roofing, contractors, but we also work with a lot of dental clinics, orthodontics, just family dentists, medical spas, and then some other type of businesses that also go and work outside on the field or go to people's homes or offices or businesses that have a retail, a brick and mortar business. But preferably home service businesses, that's our ideal clientele, and dental clinics and medical spas, okay? We have a lot of case studies. We're even happy to meet with you and show you many type of results that we got, sometimes in the initial 30 days, in the initial 60 or 90 days. The point is you want to make sure that the results you get stick. Those are results that really benefit the client. In terms of pricing, we have a very flexible pricing schedule. It completely drops the more accounts you bring on board. If you're just trying to do the CTR booster, where we manage the profile for you, we optimize that for profile for you. We do the click-through rate optimization or manipulation for you. And we also give you access to the rank tracker. So we're making it easy. If you're not having results with SEO, it's because you just don't want to. So we'll give you all this for one account. If you just want to start with one account, $4.99. If you have 10 clients, we'll bring it down to $3.50. If you have more, I will continue to discount it. So you could just make sales and continue to grow your marketing agency with a peace of mind of knowing that we'll be executing all of this on the back end, local SEO related, at a very affordable price. Map Check-ins, which is the most powerful local SEO tool app that we developed. I'll easily call it the #1 map ranking app on the market. You just want one account to try it. I'll give you a trial. Just ask, hey, Alex, I want to get a trial map rank. I'll send you the link. But if you want to sign up for one account, $299. If you have more than 5 clients, you have worked with 5 plumbers, 10 plumbers or more, I will discount it to $99 per account. So just try it. Just come on board and try it. And then you get also credits towards the rank tracker for Google Maps to see how everything is working for you. Now, I tell you, many well-established marketing agencies that we work with charge $2,000, $3,000, or north of $3,000 for fully managed local SEO services. If that's you, if you have established clients and you are charging them for doing everything from A to Z, we have the Map Pack Dominator program, which is a roadmap, but we'll execute it for you. We'll give you all the tools, we'll give you the rank tracking, we'll do the reporting, we'll meet with you or with your client if you prefer us to meet with your client. I will do everything for $12.97 per month. If you bring one account, again, that's just for one account. If you bring more than one, I will heavily discount it. First, obviously, we need to establish some level of confidence, of trust. We have to get to know your agency. You have to get to know MapRanking. And as we continue establishing a relationship, I'm happy to discount that service as well for people who have multiple accounts and are serious about providing good quality local SEO services. There is 3 videos in particular that I want you to pay attention to. If you are on mapranking.com and you go to where it says white label, and then you scroll, quickly, book a call. This is the best way of contacting us. Schedule a call if you really want to learn more or if you're ready to move forward with trying some of these services that we're discussing. But go under pricing and you're going to find all of this information that I'm revealing right here. But also watch these videos. Each one of these videos gives you a case study, results that I achieved with one client and how it worked. What does the process look like for the CTR booster or local engagement booster? For the map check-ins, it will explain how the app works. Although since we did that video, the app has continued to evolve. It has more features, more functionality. We're not the typical agency that's just doing SEO. We're actually building the tools that other companies are using in the market. So that app has evolved, just letting you know. And then you can watch this video. And in this video, the Map Pack Dominator, you're going to see me going from start to finish, explaining the entire roadmap. That's a good choice if you want to hire us to do everything for you, or even if you want to do it yourself. Guys, again, looking forward to hearing from you. I'm really excited. I'm very thankful this year to all of the different agencies that had outsourced their SEO to us, that we're working with them currently. And I'm expecting and hoping that by the end of the year, we have 1 month left. We're able to work with you and a couple of more agencies. Thank you so much.